and welcome to our comprehensive guide on the JioBook, a cutting-edge device setting new standards in mobile computing. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at this extraordinary device and the productivity apps included with it. Incredibly light, it boasts a sleek, clamshell design. Running on JioOS, an operating system built on Android, it brings your favorite apps to life. And with its unparalleled 4G LTE connectivity, the JioBook ensures that you're always connected, whether you're working from a cafe or in the comfort of your home. The JioBook isn't just about its stunning looks. It's a powerhouse of productivity. Packed with inbuilt applications, it lets you create, manage, and share your work with unprecedented ease. Whether you're crafting a detailed presentation, organizing data in sheets, or drafting important documents, the JioBook caters to all your professional needs. Moreover, it is compatible with leading office tools and softwares, making it easy to save your files in any standard formats. For those users who demand more, JioBook includes a lifetime premium version at no extra cost, unlocking a host of advanced features. Let's delve into PlanMaker, JioBook's comprehensive data management tool, fully compatible with other popular data tools. PlanMaker handles large datasets with ease. Its interface is filled with rich and functional features, including insert, layout, formula, data, review, and view. In the Home tab, you'll find a wide range of editing features. Try entering data in rows and applying a sum formula, or explore the depth of PlanMaker with a VLOOKUP function. PlanMaker also offers diverse saving options, including exporting to PDF and saving in formats compatible with popular office tools. Now, let's explore TextMaker, that lets you create and edit documents. This tool is rich in features like insert, layout, references, mailing, review, and view. TextMaker allows you to edit text in track mode and add comments for deeper insights. The File menu offers options to export to PDF and saving in formats compatible with popular office tools. Moving on to Presentation, JioBook's intuitive tool for creating impactful slides. It's completely compatible with popular presentation tools. Explore its rich features like Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, and View. Apply animations like wheel to charts and insert advanced charts like flame histograms to enhance your slides. Presentation also offers versatile saving options, including exporting to PDF, HTML, and saving in formats compatible with popular office tools. To summarize, JioBook provides a suite of productivity tools with all premium features unlocked. It's fully compatible with the tools you use today, allowing you to send and receive files compatible with popular formats. What's more, these tools come built into JioBook. You get a lifetime of productivity with no additional license required. JioBook, your first multi-utility book.